What's going on, guys? Hey, so I printed out one of them creepy Labubu things on my 3D printer. This is going to be a video of me assembling it. It's going to be a top-down shot with some voiceover. The reason that I'm posting it is because I had a print failure, and I'm going to show you what I did to kind of print it out again and make the things work. The one tip I'll give you right off the bat is if you're going to make a video about any kind of 3D prints and you want to show like the real satisfying stuff when you're pulling everything off the build plate and you're removing all of the supports, make sure that your camera is still recording.
Bruh.
That's an epic fail on my part because I had it recording and apparently it stopped and I missed all that. So anyway, I'll catch you guys in the voiceover. Remember to like, comment, sub, all that jazz. And yeah, hope you enjoy. All right, so these were supposed to be the feet and the ears for that thing, all that stringy spaghetti-ness. And the reason that it came out that way is because it didn't adhere to the build plate correctly. So what I got here, it's Creality makes this, it's a glue stick. And I'm just gonna rub it all over the build plate to try and make sure that I get the adhesion that I need. So I'm gonna go throw it on the machine and there we go. Now we got the new stuff. So now you can see just how well these things actually stuck with that glue stick on the actual build plate. I was having a tough time getting the ears off here, but you can see how well it came off. It came off in one piece. A little bit on the build plate, it looks like it's part of the plastic. It's not. It was actually the residue from the glue stick. You can see these little guys, the feet, they are stuck on there. The hands, they came right off, and then the other ear, you know, everything is stuck on like it should have. It came off nice and easy. So let's just get rid of that build plate. Now, grabbing a hold of this guy, I got his, I reprinted the hands and everything, and his right arm, right hand, whatever, was real loose in that socket. I'm sure it just had to do with the print file, and the left hand was just pretty big. So I checked to make sure that it was on the right side, but the thumb wasn't in the right spot. So you'll see what I ended up doing with it. I just kind of grab a hold of it and I just jam it in there, and you know, it's plastic. It'll bend a little bit, and there you go. Stays like it should. Now, like I said, his right hand, it does not fit. So I just grabbed a little bit of super glue. I'm using the Loctite. It's the water-based one, not the gel one. Hindsight, I would certainly go with the gel one and not with the liquid one, just because it runs and I don't want to drip it somewhere where I shouldn't, or where it shouldn't be. So I stuck it on the guy's hand. I put it in there, just didn't seem to want to grab. So I did what anybody would do, is I pulled the hand out and I just filled the hole with glue. Stuck the hand in there, held it there for a second. Yeah, 2, 3, 4, whatever it was, held on. All right, ready to go. Now, next thing, yeah, don't drop the glue. Next thing, I had to put his feet in. I don't think that there was a left foot versus a right foot. There's no big toe, little toe to tell me, so I just stuck him in there. Now, the way that I stuck him in there is he won't sit still. He rocks back and forth. He's laying down now, but when he stands up, he rocks back and forth. And you talk about some creepy mess to watch. This thing just sitting there moving for God knows how long on its own. It freaked my kids out for sure. So with this print file also came the ears. I had to reprint them. And there's only one way they go on. I don't know why I checked. You can see on the bottom the way the cutout is, but they snapped into place pretty well. The tips of the ears didn't quite snap in the way that, you know, I thought they should have. So there was a little bit of gap there. You'll see I'm going to put a little dab of glue between the tip of the ear and the costume ear. I don't know what these things are even. I don't even know what it is. If it's the real ear, if it's just a monster wearing a costume. If somebody down in the comments can explain to me what the big deal with these Labubu things are, I would certainly appreciate it, because I don't know what's going on in the world that these are the things now. I guess they're the new Beanie Babies, for those of you old enough to remember what Beanie Babies were. But yeah, it was the same thing on both sides. So I just put a little bit of glue between the ear and the costume portion, whatever it was, and adhered. Anyway, this is the creepy little guy fully assembled. Wait for the camera to focus. Here we go. There he is. So I used a for the costume part, I used the PLA silk. It's the color shifting one. It's black and yellow, but it looks more blue to me. I don't know. I like it. I said in one of my other videos, it's the colors of my high school, so it's pretty cool. I guess this could be the cape Labubu, but there it is. And here it is. See, he's standing there and he just wobbles. I tried to adjust his feet. It must be the cursed soul that lives in this thing, according to my kids, but there it is.